What if your money worked while you slept? I found 7 passive income streams that require literally zero startup capital, and they're all available in 2026. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means front-load the work once, then earn repeatedly. Let me break down each stream. 1. Write an ebook. Use free tools like Canva and sell on Gumroad. 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel in the finance niche. Average CPM is $15 to $30. 3. Affiliate marketing through a free blog or social media account. 4. License your photos or videos on Shutterstock. Zero cost to upload. 5. Create a free course on Udemy. They host, you earn royalties every month. 6. Print on-demand merch through Redbubble. Design with free tools, no inventory. 7. Dividend investing through free brokerage apps. Even starting with your first small investment builds the habit. If I had to pick one for a beginner, it's number 2, a faceless YouTube channel. Low barrier, high CPM, completely scalable. Comment which stream you're starting this week. Subscribe for the full tutorial on each one. Let's build wealth together.